In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a text box on Paperform. This process is straightforward, but each step is crucial to get your form looking and functioning just the way you want. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open or create a form. If you're starting from scratch, head over to your Paperform dashboard. From there, you'll see the option to create a new form. Choose Create Form and then select Blank Form if you want to start fresh. Alternatively, if you have an existing form that you want to modify, go ahead and open that instead. Either way, make sure you're in the form editor where you can begin customizing your form. Once you have your form ready to edit, the next step is to add a text box. Look for the plus icon within the editor. It's usually quite prominent, so you should find it easily. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also simply type a / and this will bring up the options you need. From the list that appears, select text. If you're new to Paperform, take a moment to explore the different options that are available alongside the text box. There are plenty of creative elements you can incorporate into your forms. Now that you've selected text, it's time to type the content for your text box. A good starting point might be to encourage engagement with your users. For instance, type, "Tell us about your experience with our service." This is an open-ended prompt that allows users to leave their thoughts in response, and it's a great way to gather qualitative feedback. Feel free to modify this prompt according to the purpose of your form, whether it's for feedback, suggestions, or just getting to know your audience better. After you've typed the text, it's essential to preview and test your form. You want to ensure that the form behaves as expected before it's shared with others. In the editor, locate the View option and then choose Live Form. This lets you see your creation as your users will see it. It's an invaluable step because testing in this live mode helps you verify that everything from text alignment to submission processes is functioning smoothly. Lastly, clicking View and then Live Form once again to examine your final results. Double check the look and overall functionality. Beyond just the text box, ensure every element on the form contributes to a good user experience. Making these final checks helps you spot any last-minute tweaks that might be necessary, and that's it. With just a few steps, you've successfully added a text box to your paper form. Be sure to save your work and share your form with your intended audience. I hope this guide was helpful, and please feel free to reach out with any questions or comments you might have. Thanks for watching, and happy form building!